Howdy, y'all. Y'all asked for it. Y'all got it. The grilled cheese tutorial on how to make your very own my-style grilled cheese. So, first of all, let's get our ingredients. We already got butter. We got cheese. Forget the gummy bears. Yeah, sorry. Put it on afterward. Anyway, so I already used a stick of butter, and you wanted to butter it all up here. You also, if you have my style of grill, you wanted it right about here. So next, we get our bread, which is right here. I prefer the extra thin. Make sure it's mushy, but not too mushy. You know, the good stuff. The good stuff. Anyway, so I'm going to get 4 pieces because I want 2 sandwiches. 2 perfect sandwiches. Alright, 1 paper plate. And, alright, next what you're going to do is you're going to butter your bread with the butter that we have here. So first get your butter knife. Kids, don't use a knife without parental approval, okay? So first you just want to scoop it on out. Shut up, guys. This is really hard with one hand. Anyway, you just put on down. Give it a go. Great. Look at this precision. Look at the precision on this. Yeah, this is not precise with one hand. But heck with it, I'm ambidextrous. That means I'm good with both hands. Alright, for everyone watching, I will be right back until I butter the bread. Alright, I buttered it. The reason why I just buttered it is so it's easier to cook and it tastes better when it's done. It doesn't have to be flat or anything. Just the bread has to be flat when it's on the stove. Anyway, here we have some cheese. American cheese, fresh from H-E-B. Just got it today. So we're going to use some of this. If we have enough left. Yeah, we got enough. Alright, so you want 2 pieces of cheese per sandwich. Oh, wait, never mind. 3. It's thin, yeah, what my mom just told me. Anyway, hold on real quick while I put the cheese on. Alright, so the cheese is on the part with no butter. The butter side is out, so this is the side with butter. And when I put the cheese on, the butter is facing downward. So you get this. Alright, so next you want a spatula. Yes, SpongeBob. Alright, so you just want to grab your spatula, get a sandwich, and put it on your grill. And now you wait. When both sandwiches are on, at least. Dang it, it's stuck. Hold on, I'll be back. Alright, when that happens, just tilt your spatula. I kind of got a little bit splashed by a little bit of sizzle, but that proves it's working. Just look at this. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? That sounds great, doesn't it? Doesn't it not sound great? Hold on. You want your bread as flat as possible, and you want to make sure if any cheese is spilling out, make sure to just push it back onto your sandwich or cut it off so that no more cheese can spill out. So, it's basically like, let's say you have a bag of balls. If one hole comes out and all the balls are glued together or roped together, if one comes out, then they're all connected and they're going to come out together. Like, see, I cut off that bit of cheese so that all the other cheese pieces won't come off with it. Because that's how water works. Alright, if that happens, just put it off to the side. Yeah. And now we wait. Alright, I flipped it, and this isn't dirt. This is actually grill. This is actually grill is what you're seeing on the bread. So as you can see, that's brown pieces, not even loose. Look, it's not loose, it's on there. It's grilled onto the bread. And I flipped this over, and let's see if it's ready. You always want to check every now and then. Yep, that looks good. So now we'll flip this one over. Not ready yet, so here is an easier way you can check. For some people this could be harder, but you just go down here, flip a corner up a little bit and see if it's ready. Don't get splashed, kids. Have a parental supervision unless you are 14 years or older, or at least you're in high school, like me. Let's try flipping it and seeing what it looks like. Yep, that's it. This is not dirt. What you're seeing is actually not what was on the grill, but grill on the bread. This one wasn't ready, apparently, so I'm just going to flip this one back over. Alright, what you see right here, though, is this is just pieces of the cheese and the butter that was on it, and it was also just part of the grill. This isn't anything. As you can see, that's brown, not black or anything. That was all grilled. That was grilled, not dirty. Sounding good. Let's flip it. Woo! That is good. That is good stuff. I just finished it and I took it to my room. Here are the end results. Top side, back side. Top side, back side. My lighting isn't the best quality right now, but here's Kitten. Alright, so now you just dig in. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see y'all later. I know I promised this for months, but finally, here it is. Thank you for watching. Later!